नमस्कार। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एवरेज नंबर 38 टू एवरेज नंबर 70। नाउ 38 एंड 39 सप्रेशन और सस्पेंडेड कंडीशन। नाउ 38 न्यू dissimilar disease is stronger than the older one, then older will be kept back and suspended until the new disease runs in the course or cured. Hahnemann's observation on suspension of disease or suppression of disease. 39 violent treatment with allopathic drug cannot cure chronic disease but suppress and suspend the chronic disease as long as diminished strength of the patient cannot take those allopathic drugs. Examples of allopathic treatment. First, treatment of each exanthema by purgatives. Use of issues for causing artificial ulcer in treatment of epilepsy. Now, 40th aphorism, complex disease. New disease after a long acting on the organism join with the older dissimilar disease and form complex disease. They cannot cure one another. Footnote: in complex disease, no real amalgamation takes place. Cure of the complex disease by SORA, syphilis were best mercurial preparation judicially alternated with remedies specific for SORA, each given the most suitable dose and form. Now, 41. Long continued employment of unsuitable allopathic drug complicated with chronic diseases dissimilar to it. This is most difficult to cure and mask venereal diseases. Footnote: suitable dose of mercury cures venereal diseases homeopathically, but larger dose is unable to cure it, especially when complicated with SORA. 42 efforts. There may be simultaneously occurrence of two, indeed of three, dissimilar natural diseases in same body, each occupying suitable places for them in the organism, double complex. Now 43. When two similar diseases meet together, the stronger cures the weaker. 44. Two similar diseases not repel one another, not suspend one another, not exist beside each other to form complex or double complex disease. 45. Two similar diseases involve precisely in the same part of organism and stronger disease annihilates the weaker. And footnote: first refer to 21 and second, lamp flame is rapidly overpowered and affected from our retina by the stronger sunbeam impinging on the eye. Now 46. Examples of disease cured by similar stronger diseases in each cases. Fixed miasm, accessory miasm. Now the footnote. Hahnemann here versus Jenner ने यहाँ पर बताया है cowpox vaccination due to animal smallpox never appeared violently in it as it had before. अगर ये पहले अपेयर हो चुका है तो ये रिटर्न अपेयर नहीं होगा. फुटनोट 14. लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग सिम्टम्स जो हैं वो डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सोरा कंडीशन है, लाइक सफोकेटिव अस्थमा, पल्मोनरी ट्यूबरकुलोसिस. इट इज ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड इनटू प्रिमिटिव ईच डिसीज बाय न्यू cutaneous infection. 47. From above, the physician should learn what kind of artificial morbic agent can cure disease. Now, 48. Diseases are only removed by similar and stronger medicine. Now, 49. Natural homeopathic cure. Attention of observer is more directed to them. Nature is not deficient in producing such diseases. Average number 50. Problems of nature's cure. Morbific agents like itch, measles, smallpox, which act remedies are more indeed than the diseases they cure. 51. Nature's cure is called happy-go-lucky operation. Advantage of medicinal cure over nature's cure. 52. Homeopathic medicine has no direct pathological relation to the disease to be cured. Two principal methods of cure: homeopathic or allopathic. Homeopathic based on accurate observation of nature, on careful experiment and pure experience, and allopathic does not do accurate observation on the nature or careful experiment and pure experiences. Person who mix two methods are causing criminal treasons against divine homeopathy. 53. Disease are more surely, rapidly and permanently extinguished by the homeopathic way. Is made of cure is founded on eternal infallible law of nature. 53. Homeopathic healing art is only corrected and possibly method of cure. 54. Homeopathy is the most proper and way among the three possible mode of treatment. Cure takes place without doing injury, without weakening of the patient. Homeopathy is only way to cure, as only one straight line to draw between two points. Allopathic method was honored by rational medicine, but actually it is not. Footnote: rational system is based on observation of nature, pure experiment of and experiences, but allopathy was based on the speculation and scholastic vaporism. Second foot: up to recent time, curative properties of the medicine was supposed to be material, but actually they are dynamic effect. The various mixture of prescription used by allopath endangered human life. They use sternly emetics, plasters, purgatives. 55. Second mode of treatment is allopathy or heteropathic medicines. Have no pathological relation to disease to be cured. 56. Antipathic treatment or palliative treatment. Footnote: isopathy. 57. Antipathic mode of treatment in which are remembered which play an opposite action, contraria contralis. Single symptoms. Opium is prescribed in large doses for pain. Benumb sensibly. 58. Antipathy is extremely faulty treatment where the practitioner devotes his attention to one-sided manner of single symptoms. Ordinary physician explains such aggravation as malignancy of the original diseases of occurrence of new diseases. Footnote: example of physician confirming these: J.H. Sigels, William J. Hunter. 59. Example of injurious effects of the some antipathic mode of treatment. 60. Increasing at the dose at every repetition of antipathic method. Or footnote, Brasiu method of treatment. His treatment include venesection, leech, cupping glass, hunger diet, lukewarm bath, gum arabic solution. Only one medicine used by Brasiu. 61. True radical healing art is found in except opposite or to the antipathic mode of treatment. 62. Reason of pernicious result of palliative treatment of efficiency of homeopathy depend on the following facts. 63. Primary action and secondary action of the medicine or vital force. Secondary action on 2, curative or counter. 64. Passive receptive. During primary action, vital force remains passive. Secondary counter action or curative action. Each opposite condition primary action produces by the vital force is called secondary counter action. 65. Example of secondary counter action. A hand bathed with hot water, at first warmer than the other hand. 66. Action of minute small homeopathic dose. Small homeopathic dose produce primary action in the perceptible sufficiency attentive observer. 67. Beneficial effect of homeopathic treatment and perceivably of antipathic treatment. Footnote, cases in which the antipathic employment of the medicine or antipathic symptoms. 68. Small dose of homeopathic medicine by similarities of symptom remove the nature of the disease. 69. Antipathic chosen medicine touch precisely the same disease point in the organism as homeopathic medicine, but it covers only the opposite symptom of the disease and makes symptoms unobservable for the short time. Disease symptoms are worse in proportional to magnitude of the dose. Footnote first, antagonism or opposite sensation are not naturalized in human organism. Footnote second, palliative medicine in secondary action produces. 70. Summary of first to 69 aphorism. Mixture. Totality of the symptoms, curative power of the medicine, allopathy, antipathy and homeopathy. Allopathy by dissimilar medicine can cure natural diseases. Antipathy, a single symptom is treated by antagonism. And homeopathy selected on the basis of totality of the symptoms and suitable perfectly and permanently extinguish the natural diseases. Thank you.